Welcome back to the Coding Interview series. Today, we are tackling a classic problem that appears frequently in technical interviews: finding the Kth smallest element in an array. Let's start by understanding the goal. You are given an unsorted array of numbers and an integer k. Your task is to find the Kth smallest number in that array. For example, if the array is 7, 10, 4, 3, 20, 15, and k is 3, the answer is 7, because 7 is the third smallest number after 3 and 4. The most intuitive approach is to simply sort the array. If we arrange all numbers in ascending order, the Kth smallest element will naturally sit at index k-1. This is easy to code and understand, but is it efficient? Sorting the entire array takes order of n log n time. While this is acceptable for small datasets, it is doing unnecessary work. We are fully sorting the array just to find a single element. If n is very large, this approach becomes too slow. We can improve this by using a max heap. The idea is to maintain a container that holds only the k smallest elements we have seen so far. A max heap of size k is perfect because the root always gives us the largest of these k elements, which is our current candidate for the Kth smallest. Here is how it works. We fill the heap with the first k elements. Then, for every subsequent element in the array, we compare it with the heap's root. If the new element is smaller than the root, we remove the root and insert the new element. By the end, the root of the heap is exactly the Kth smallest element. The time complexity for this approach is order of n log k. This is because we iterate through n elements, and each heap operation takes order of log k time. This is significantly faster than sorting when k is much smaller than n. For the optimal solution, we use an algorithm called QuickSelect. It uses the same partitioning logic as quicksort. We pick a pivot element and rearrange the array so that smaller elements are on the left and larger ones are on the right. Crucially, we only recurse into the side that contains our target index. In quicksort, we process both halves of the array, leading to n log n complexity. In QuickSelect, we discard half the array at each step, similar to binary search. This results in a mathematical series that sums up to linear time, or order of n, on average. Let's compare the three approaches. Sorting is order of n log, and the max heap method is order of n log k, which is great for finding small k values. However, QuickSelect wins with an average time complexity of order of n, making it the standard efficient solution. To wrap up, use sorting for simplicity if performance isn't critical. Use a max heap if you are dealing with a continuous stream of numbers. But for a static array, QuickSelect is the most efficient choice. In languages like C++, the standard library function, nth element, implements this optimizations for you. I hope this explanation helped you understand the different ways to solve the Kth smallest element problem. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more algorithm breakdowns. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.